What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Lexus Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the Smart Key. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and that'll allow the key to slide out like that. Now, if you notice, this key has just a little bit of a lip on it, and we're actually going to use the key to get the case open. So if we take a look at the bottom near where we just pulled that key out of, we're going to see this little slot right here. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up, but we're going to see this slot right here. And what we want to do is take our key and put it in that slot and make sure it's all the way pushed in. And once it's all the way pushed in, we're just going to twist it like this, like we're opening a lock. So put it in that slot, and then we're going to twist like this. Put it in that slot, and again, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then twist. That's going to pop the case apart. Go ahead and pull it apart. And if we take this board out of here and look on the back of the board, we can see our battery. And if you grab your key, you can again kind of use that lip and get under the edge of the battery just to get it out of the battery holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up like that. Go ahead and put your board back in the case, like that. Snap the back on, put our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.